Dry eyes after 60. These 6 foods can restore moisture and improve eye health naturally. Welcome to this valuable video on dry eyes after 60. If you're struggling with irritation, blurry vision, or that constant dry, scratchy feeling, you're not alone. And the good news is, nature has solutions. In today's video, we'll reveal 6 powerful foods that can naturally restore moisture to your eyes and boost your overall eye health. These nutrient-rich options are simple, accessible, and highly effective. Please leave 1 subscribe, 1 comment, and 1 like to support this valuable content. And don't forget to share the video across your favorite media platforms. Let's dive in and nourish your eyes. Would you like the script for the 6 foods as well? Number 1. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are among the most powerful foods you can eat to combat dry eyes, especially as you age. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which are essential for maintaining eye moisture and overall eye health. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation in the eyes, allowing the tear glands to function more effectively. This results in better tear production and improved tear quality, both crucial for keeping your eyes well lubricated. Studies have shown that people who regularly consume fatty fish experience fewer symptoms of dry eye syndrome, including redness, irritation, and that gritty, burning feeling. These fish also contain vitamin D and other nutrients that support the health of the retina and reduce the risk of age-related eye diseases. If you're over 60, incorporating fatty fish into your diet at least twice a week can make a significant difference. Whether grilled, baked, or added to salads, these fish are a delicious and natural way to nourish your eyes from the inside out. Remember, your eyes are what you see the world with. Keep them healthy with smart, natural choices like fatty fish. Would you like the next food expanded the same way? Number 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to eye health, especially for those over 60 dealing with dry eyes. These seeds are an excellent source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which helps reduce inflammation and promotes natural tear production. While fatty fish provide EPA and DHA, chia seeds offer a great alternative for vegetarians or those looking to diversify their omega-3 intake. In addition to healthy fats, chia seeds are rich in fiber, which helps maintain overall hydration in the body. Staying hydrated is critical for keeping the eyes moist and comfortable. Chia seeds also contain antioxidants, including flavonoids, which protect the eyes from oxidative stress, one of the leading causes of age-related eye issues and dryness. The best part? Chia seeds are incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Add a spoonful to your morning smoothie, mix them into yogurt, or stir them into a glass of water and let them soak for a refreshing chia drink. Just a small daily serving can support not only your eyes, but also your heart and brain, making chia seeds a true superfood for healthy aging. Would you like the 3rd food, carrots, expanded next? Number 3. Carrots. Carrots have long been associated with good vision, and for a good reason. They are rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that the body converts into vitamin A, an essential nutrient for maintaining healthy eyes. Vitamin A plays a critical role in the production of tears and keeping the surface of the eyes properly lubricated, which helps prevent dry eye symptoms like itchiness, redness, and irritation. As we age, our body's ability to absorb and convert nutrients can decrease, making it even more important to include vitamin A-rich foods in our diet. A deficiency in vitamin A is one of the leading causes of preventable blindness worldwide and can significantly increase the risk of chronic dry eye. Carrots are also high in lutein, another eye-friendly nutrient that helps filter harmful blue light and protect the retina from damage over time. Plus, they're extremely versatile. Enjoy them raw as a crunchy snack, roasted as a side dish, blended into soups, or shredded into salads. For those over 60, adding carrots to your daily meals is a simple, delicious way to nourish your eyes and help maintain natural moisture. A few carrots a day really can help keep dry eyes away. Would you like me to expand on the fourth food next? Spinach and kale? Number 4, spinach and kale. Leafy greens. Like spinach and kale are nutritional powerhouses, especially when it comes to supporting eye health and relieving dry eyes. These greens are rich in 2 critical antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients are found in high concentrations in the retina, where they help filter out harmful high-energy blue light and protect delicate eye tissues from oxidative damage. As we age, oxidative stress increases and can lead to conditions like dry eye syndrome and age-related macular degeneration. Lutein and zeaxanthin combat this by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation in the eye tissues. They also support the production of healthy tears, which are essential for keeping the eyes moist, clear, and comfortable. Spinach and kale are also great sources of vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, all of which work together to keep your eyes healthy and hydrated. Whether eaten raw in salads, blended into smoothies, or lightly sautéed with olive oil, these greens are easy to incorporate into your daily meals. For those over 60, making leafy greens a regular part of your diet can go a long way in naturally preventing dry eyes and maintaining strong, clear vision well into your golden years. Would you like the next section on eggs expanded as well? Number 5. Eggs, especially the yolks, are a nutrient-dense food that plays a valuable role in promoting eye health and relieving dry eyes, particularly important for adults over 60. The yolk is rich in vitamin A, which helps maintain the surface tissues of the eye, supports tear production, and prevents dryness and irritation. Egg yolks are also a great source of lutein and zeaxanthin, the same powerful antioxidants found in leafy greens. These nutrients are known to reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, while also improving the eye's natural moisture barrier. Unlike plant sources, the lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs are more bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb them more efficiently. Additionally, eggs provide zinc, which supports the transport of vitamin A from the liver to the retina, aiding in the production of protective eye pigments. One of the biggest advantages of eggs is their versatility. Whether you prefer them boiled, scrambled, poached, or baked into recipes, they're easy to prepare and fit into almost any diet. For seniors looking to protect their vision and reduce dry eye symptoms, including eggs a few times a week can make a meaningful difference in long-term eye hydration and overall visual health. Would you like the final food, walnuts, expanded next? Number 6. Walnuts. Walnuts are a simple, delicious, and highly effective food for supporting eye health, particularly for those over the age of 60 experiencing dry eye symptoms. They are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which play a crucial role in reducing inflammation in the eyes and promoting healthy tear production. By keeping inflammation in check, omega-3s help prevent the dryness, redness, and discomfort commonly associated with aging eyes. In addition to omega-3s, walnuts are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from oxidative stress. Oxidative damage can harm the tear glands and other eye tissues, making it harder for the eyes to stay moist and properly lubricated. Vitamin E supports the integrity of cell membranes in the eyes and promotes overall hydration. Walnuts also contain zinc and selenium, 2 trace minerals that further support the immune system and protect against age-related eye issues. Whether eaten as a snack, added to oatmeal, tossed into salads, or blended into smoothies, walnuts are an easy and satisfying way to nourish your eyes daily. Just a small handful can deliver significant eye health benefits, naturally helping you maintain clearer, more comfortable vision as you age. Would you like a conclusion or summary section to wrap up all 6 foods? Conclusion. As we age, dry eyes can become a daily discomfort, but nature offers powerful, nourishing solutions. By adding these 6 foods, fatty fish, chia seeds, carrots, spinach and kale, eggs and walnuts to your diet, you can naturally restore moisture, reduce inflammation, and protect your vision. These foods are not only eye-friendly, but also support your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please leave one subscribe, one comment, and one like. And don't forget to share it across your favorite media platforms. Take care of your eyes. They deserve the best.